Another day at the airport. Alright, so nakabayad na tayo ng travel tax as usual. So 1,620. Meron yan dito sa may gate. Yan. So pagpasok mo ng gate 2 dito sa NAIA Terminal 3. Okay, so let's now proceed sa line for AirAsia. Ayan, so sobrang smooth lang na kapag check-in na rin tayo. Ayan yung boarding gate ng AirAsia. So after this, pupunta na tayo sa may immigration. Alright, so nakalagpas na tayo ng immigration. Now, pupunta na tayo ng ating boarding gate. Sa imig, sobrang smooth lang. So they just ask me if it's a group tour or what. And also ask me if I am a government employee. Of course, I said no. And that's it. Alright, so nandito tayo sa boarding gate and we're just waiting for our boarding time, which is at 12:35. Alright, so we are now boarding. Thank you. So we just passed through the counter. So we're now going to the plane. Okay, so hindi ko pa fully na-disclose yung ating destination. Pero yeah, we are going to Sri Lanka. And meron tayong layover sa Kuala Lumpur for I think around 4 hours. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa loob ng plane. Ang seat number natin ay 11.
We'll be on our way to Kuala Lumpur.
Ito na yung organizer namin. Hi, Paul!
And
So guys, palapag na tayo ng Kuala Lumpur. And here we go. There. Alright, so dahil meron tayong connecting flight, dito tayo sa international transfer. Ayan, so ito yung transfer counter kapag meron kang connecting flight. And then you can look for your flights on the board. Ayan, so Q17 flying to Colombo. Alright. This is the group. Ayan, so finally, na-complete na kami dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa may international transfer. Ang ating gate ay Q17. Dahil hindi tayo masyadong nakapag-lunch sa Philippines, so first agenda here is to eat. So dito tayo sa local flavor nila. Yum. So I'm gonna be ordering laksa. Bagong alright, so na-move yung boarding gate natin dito sa L11. So, dun tayo pupunta. Alright, so tapos na tayo sa security check. We are now going to the boarding gate. Okay, so dito ang ating boarding gate. Ito yung ating flight to Colombo. Boarding na kami on our flight to Colombo. Hey, we just landed Colombo. Welcome to Sri Lanka. Ang cute ng airport ng Sri Lanka, no? Sky blue. World's famous Ceylon tea. Pupunta rin tayo sa mga elephant sanctuary. So, dito na tayo sa immigration. Just passed through the immigration. We're cleared and we're officially here in Sri Lanka. So, welcome to Sri Lanka, everyone. So, stay tuned and look forward to the Sri Lankan trip. Ayan pala yung greeting nila, Ayubowan. Ayubowan, welcome to Sri Lanka. Sa Dialog kasi, they are not accepting card payment. Kaya dito tayo bibili sa Airtel. I'll be taking yung wood for 1 week. That's 1,400. Palabas na kami ng airport. I'm with my now friends. Yan, si Kel and si Gio. We're gonna be roommates. We're claiming it. Bawal ba? Bawal. Ayun na yung flag ng Sri Lanka. There. Okay, ito na yung aming coaster bus. Quick stop tayo for withdraw. Where's my money? Yes, ang dami kong pera. This is our first night's accommodation dito sa Sri Lanka. So, this is our room dito sa Bohemian Hostel. By the name itself, so may mga queen members dyan. Diba? Bohemian Rhapsody. And this is the CR. Yan. So, meron siyang dalawang shower and dalawang toilet. Dumaan muna tayo dito. So, it's a 24 hours convenience store dito sa Negombo. Because we're hungry and we need something to eat. Okay, so bili na lang muna tayo ng bread and water. Good morning! So it's 7 in the morning and we are having breakfast na here sa Bohemian Rhapsody. Bohemian Hostel. So I'm with my roommates here, Gio and Kel, and of course, the rest of the guests. This is the breakfast. Bread and egg. Tsaka yung banana bread na leftover namin kagabi. Good morning! So we're done with breakfast. We are now preparing for our itinerary for today. So we will be checking out around 8:30 and ang ating first stop would be... So we are staying here sa Negombo. And ito yung Colombo. Airport is here. So bababa muna tayo to Gale. So this is our first destination and we will be doing I think some turtle hatchery stuff. Papakawala ng turtle dun sa beach and we will also be having our second night here sa Gale. Alright, so stay tuned for more videos of this Sri Lanka trip. Hey guys, so this is our first destination for the day. So dito sa Turtle Hatchery, meron dito malaking turtle. So magpapakain muna tayo. Okay, and then we already paid 3,000 Sri Lankan rupee for the entrance. Okay, so pagpasok mo dito may mga aquarium. Oh my god. These are sharks. Yes, may mga fish din dito. Anong fish to? What are these fish? Alright, so dito na tayo sa itlog ng turtle. So, yan o, nangingitlog siya. Ayan, mga eggs. Alright, so naitlog na tayo ng turtle. Ayan, lumabas tayo sa kanyang puwet. And we're going here. So there's orientation. Alright, so may mga eggs dito. Ayan. And these eggs are closely monitored. So ito na yung mga hatchlings natin, freshly hatched from their eggs. And within 24 hours, they should be released to the sea or to the ocean. But today, we cannot do that because it's already late and active na daw yung mga predators according to our guide. So sad. It should have been my first experience. So maybe next time or some other place I can do that. This is a 1-year-old turtle. So this one daw is 46 years old na. Sobrang laki niya. This one naman is 50 years old. Tapos medyo may health issues na siya. Resting lang siya dito.
Ampunin na kita.
This one is breathing, oh. Hello. Hi there. Guys, ito ang epekto ng pagtatapon nyo ng plastic sa dagat. Ayan. So, nagpo-float lang siya. Kasi sobrang dami niya daw plastic sa katawan. Ayan. Hindi siya makalubog. So, guys, do not throw any garbage in the ocean.
All of them have different type of fat, but they are very rare right now because people kill them. Do you know why? For the sale. They made some products from their sale.
It's a really good shell.
Sunglass frames, jewelry boxes, handbags, combs, hair clips, lot of things people made by.
You sell them?
No, never. It's illegal in Sri Lanka.
Okay.
Hey there. Petting the turtle.
Ganda niya.
Nice. This one. Very impressive. Albino turtle.
So among the turtles, she is the mestiza chinita.
Shark, shoot, shoot, shoot. Hey, hey! Bakit meron siyang sugat-sugat?
Ano ba?
Nababangga yata siya sa sa lamin. Okay, so next stop natin is this. So, titingnan natin kung paano ginagawa yung mga traditional masks dito sa Sri Lanka. Ayan, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Mask and Puppet Museum. So, baba tayo dito to see their workshop kung paano ba ginagawa yung mga traditional masks dito sa Sri Lanka. Ayan, so as you can see, this is the workshop and they're manually hand-painting all of these masks. And this one naman, so this is how they carve the woods. Ito yung wood na ginagamit nila. What wood is this? Rubber? And dito si Kuya, carving the woods. And this part naman, yan. So, pinapakinis na ni Madam yung ating mga woods. Before they paint here. Alright, so tapos na tayo dun sa showroom nila. Pasok naman tayo dito sa may museum. Kung nasaan naka-display lahat ng mga mask na ginagawa nila dun sa workshop. Let's enter. Oh, wow, there's a lot.
That's my national costume.
This is naman the area for the puppets, for the puppet show. Ayan, so ganitong design yung binili nating souvenir. Alright, so tapos na ang budol time. Nakabili na tayo dito sa store. So it's all good, it's really good to see all of these masks. So this is one of the greatest traditions dito talaga sa Sri Lanka. So I think it's a must that you have one of these as your souvenir. Okay, so next stop natin is ang gemstone ano ba to? Store or mining. Kasi dito sa Sri Lanka, so kilala din siya for gemstones. Ayan na, syempre hindi ka masasabing nagpunta ng Sri Lanka. Wala ka nakitang langka. Joke yan. Yan, so basically, dito yung minahan ng mga moonstones at kung ano-ano pang gemstones. Yan. And then, dito nila iwawash kung paano nila hinihiwala yung putik at saka yung stones.
Dana.
Meron din ditong mga cinnamon. Yan. You can smell this. Yeah. Smells good. Bango. Tapos ito na yung mga dried. Ito yung mga dried ones. Oh, that one. We can eat this. So good. Yeah, it's good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Spice.
So yung sa negosyo lang tayo, import lang natin.
Ang sarap niya.
Mahal-mahal ito sa atin eh.
Cinnamon.
Kaya lang, saan ba nilalagay? Cinnamon bread.
What is this fruit? Ito yung mga stones na namina nila.
Ito yung
This. Grabe, ang daming gemstones. Very raw pa. There's more here. What's this? Kasi ito may mga small ones. Garnet. This is garnet. Ang liliit na. Ito ang lalaki oh. There's more here. Yung kinikinis na nila yung mga stones. So this is where they process all of the stones. Jeweler. Oh. Okay. This is sapphire.
Sapphire.
So ito yung nagawa nila. Good oh. So dito na naka-display yung mga nagawa nilang jewelries. Diba? From that raw stones to this. Ito na yung mga na-process. Oh. So makikinis na itong mga bato dito. These are all moonstones. Okay. All of these are moonstones.
Estamos muy separados. Muy separados. Cinco de los
Yan, ito yung nabili ko, blue moonstone for 1,000 pesos.
24,000.
Ayan siya.
Oh my God.
Ayan, some inspirations para sa ating gemstones. Alright, so tapos na ulit kami for another budol. Where's the exit here? Okay. And ito yung mga budol-budol na establishments. If you want gemstones, so this is a good place for you. Nice. Lakas ng araw. Okay, so stop muna tayo dito sa main Tsunami Museum. So before we do our lunch for today. This museum is very depressive. Pero also interesting stories, of course, of what happened kung may mga tsunami disaster. So bawal yung photos and videos sa loob, kaya I cannot show you anything. But yeah, nandun naka-post yung experience sila during the tsunami. So, Yeah. What I can only say is it's very depressive talaga. Yan. Ito yung remnant ng train na of course na affected by the tsunami. So, yan. Naka-display siya dito. Umabot daw ng around 100 meters from the rail yung impact ng tsunami dito sa train. Yan, nag-Pizza Hut for lunch. So, nag-Sri Lanka para mag-Pizza Hut. Yeah. Later tonight na lang kami mag-local restaurant. So, for now, dito muna tayo magla-lunch. Sobrang gutom, nakalimutan i-vlog. So, ito yung melts dito sa Pizza Hut. So, may coke tayo dyan. More food!
Ano yung pasta?
Bolognese. Okay, so done with lunch. We are now on our way to the hotel para makapag-check. And then, free time na yata kami this afternoon. See you there! Ito na yung Gale Fort. Yan. This is part of our itinerary. So, pero mag-check-in muna kami sa hotel before we explore this place. Ito yung accommodation namin dito sa Fort Gale. Some groups are staying here, some groups are staying here. Okay, so mag-check-in muna tayo before we explore the place. Sa taas. Okay, we have welcome drink. Thank you so much. Alright, so dito na yung room namin dito sa Gale Fort. And so we have 2 beds here. Grabe yung styling. Parang royalty lang. Yan, so may 2 large bed dito tapos may isang small bed. And of course, my cabinet, and this is the CR, toilet and shower. Alright, and that's me. Welcome to Gale Fort dito sa Sri Lanka. Hey everyone! So after resting sa aming accommodation, so lumabas kami ngayon. It's around 5 p.m. So we're gonna be exploring Fort Gale, so the vicinity. It's like giving me an Intramuros vegan vibe. So it's an old town, as you can see. Yan. Ang ganda ng mga establishments dito sa Fort Gale. So iba-iba yung style ng mga villa, cafe, shops. They have their own, distinct style, aesthetic. Alright. So this is a Dutch Reformed church dito sa Gale. So it's like an old church vibe here. This one is the Maritime Archaeology Museum, but it's closed. It's an old anchor here. I don't know what sports is this. It's like baseball. Oh. May aratiris din sila dito. Kaso walang hinog. Kuha sana ako. Ayan, so mag-gelato tayo. These are the flavors. So let's order amarena. Just 1 scoop. This one, yeah. Alright, so we ordered gelato. So this is 600 per scoop. Yeah. This is their building. Alright, so this is Gale Fort. So ito yung view niya. So let's try to explore more of this. We'll see if we have time tomorrow. For now, let's go to other spots here. Dito pa rin sa Gale Fort. Alright, so this is our next stop. The lighthouse. Closer look. And so this is the lighthouse. So this Gale lighthouse was built in 1938. So there's the lighthouse. Yan, nag-light na siya, color green. Let's now go down and look for our friends na hindi namin alam kung nasan na. Okay, so we're walking around Gale Fort. We're looking for a place to eat. Yan. Ito yung mga kasama natin. Alright, so dito kami kakain ng dinner sa Punto Cafe. Yan, we ordered pot of Sri Lankan tea. I shared this with Dr. Ayan. Hello, Doc. So this is our dinner. So this is vegetable fried rice. Then we have chicken kotu. Of course, yan, chicken curry. This one is curry. And of course, we have rice here. Okay, done with dinner. Sobrang sulit naman yan. Dito ulit kami nag-dinner sa Punto Cafe. So recommended when you're here at Gale Fort. After dinner, we rested a bit sa hotel and then we went out to check the old town at night. As we explore the area, guys, please like this video, comment down below, and of course, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next part of our travel here in Sri Lanka.